Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Cooker Japan. By combining Google Vids and Gemini, you can easily create corporate promotional videos. First, please watch the video that was made in 3 minutes.
We are a company that has been making pudding for 50 years. In 2025,
Introducing Yuki-Doke Milk, a new sensation in milk pudding. Prepare for the temptation of 2 layers. A milk pudding featuring a rich burnt butter and rock salt sauce that redefines dessert.
I just inserted the pudding product description into Vids and asked Gemini to create a captivating promotional video. This is amazing. Even if you don't have money or designer, you can easily create promotional videos and edit the finished videos yourself. So let's get started. Did you know that you can actually generate videos in various ways? Gemini's Veo and NotebookLM can do it too. Gemini's Veo generates 8-second videos, while NotebookLM creates videos based on slides that become explanations. The key feature is that you can't give specific instructions or edit them.
We have 3 main ways to creating videos.
Yes.
NotebookLM, Gemini's Veo, and Google Vids.
Yes, Google Vids, yeah. So let's take a look at the differences with NotebookLM. Here's a NotebookLM video, okay?
And welcome. Today, we're going to dig into a really cool case study in food innovation. It all adds up to this fundamental shift, right? That contrast is everything. It's designed to make every single spoonful a totally different experience.
It's a bit different from promotional videos for customers. So what do you think, Naoto?
Yes, actually, this feels more like explaining something.
Yes, actually, it's something, yeah.
It's not some material for customers, I feel.
Yes. So let's get straight to it and easily create a video with Vids. Okay, first, please prepare the product instruction slides or PDFs you have. Open Google Chrome and then click on the Google Vids app. So when the menu appears, select Storyboard. Once the screen changes, type art in the message field below and select the file you want to turn into a video.
Okay, so here you just connect the proposal that you want to make a video.
Yeah. So here I will instruct Gemini as follows. So please create a video under 3 minutes to promote this file appealingly.
I see. So maybe the prompt here is quite important as well.
Yes, exactly. So next, Vids will generate a video within 30 seconds. Click next and select the design to start with, for example, okay, so this one, your type, okay? Create a draft video. Now, wait for Gemini. All movie was edited. So let's play.
Welcome to the world of Yuki-Doke Milk, a new sensation milk pudding that's set to revolutionize the chilled dessert category. This isn't just a dessert, it's an evolving flavor journey.
Flavor jelly. Target audience.
Seek small luxuries and are willing to pay a premium for quality and relaxation. Let's dive into the product specifications for you.
This is my slide.
This one they're picking up from your slide.
Exceptional taste. The suggested retail price for Yuki-Doke Milk is
But out of it, all the materials,
positioning
Google Vids is bringing everything by itself.
dessert.
Yeah.
Stunning photos of the layers and sizzle videos of pouring the sauce to create a strong visual impact. Yuki-Doke Milk offers a unique opportunity to drive value and excitement in the chilled dessert category.
Wow. I'm shocked.
Yeah. Me too. Of course, the resulting videos can be edited just like Google Slides, okay? Like this.
Wow, that's interesting because normally to editing a video, it's really complicated.
Yeah.
But with Google Vids, with Gemini, we can just edit everything as a slide
Yes.
normally create.
So,
One thing that surprised me, I feel that before Gemini was not really great to calculate the exact time, but it made the slide or this video exactly in 2 minutes and 50 seconds,
oh, I see.
which is fitting with the
Yeah.
prompt that you gave for 3 minutes.
Oh, good point, Naruto. So let's look at the sidebar here. So you can insert the various avatar. You can change the avatar, and you can change the voice. It's a voice-over feature. So current scene, all scenes, you can change the various type of voice.
So with voiceover, we can change the voice with the whole video.
Yeah.
With avatar, we can add someone speaking.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so this time, the video feature, this is very important. So clicking on the video option allows you to generate and insert videos using video. So this time, I'd like to include my photo here with the CEO's message placed first. So select the create from scratch and enter the following messages in the field below. So like this, please include our company's instruction first. Below is the message. We are a company that has been making pudding for 50 years. In 2025, we created an attractive product. Then click add ingredients and insert my images. Yes, this is my photo, okay? Click generate and wait. So let's take a look at it, okay?
We are a company that has been making pudding for 50 years.
Then you'll be able to choose whether to insert it into the current video or recreate it. So now you can insert it wherever you like on the left screen. So you select it yourself. So this time we'll insert it at the very beginning. Right click and select new scene, okay? To the left, and you click the insert, right? This one, okay? Let's play.
We are a company that has been making pudding for 50 years. In 2025, we created an attractive product.
That's good.
That works.
Plus one, the subtitles and displaying properly. So let's hide them with a shape, right? So like a Google Slides. So click the shapes and this one, okay? Okay. And play again.
We are a company that has been making pudding for 50 years. In 2025, we created an attractive product.
So nice.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Yes. How was it? The video quality and BGM were top-notch. So you should all definitely give it a try.
Actually, I really like the concept to upload a document already exists, create a video,
Yeah.
and even if you need to edit it, it's like a slide. Super easy and something you're already used to do.
Yeah. This is so-called top-notch. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.